What's up, my viewers and subscribers? You know what I'm going to teach you to make in the day, yeah? I'm going to teach you how to make your Escovith sauce. Alrighty? So come and sit and sip and chill with me and let us make this Escovith sauce together. These are my ingredients that I am going to use. You don't know I can't leave out me big boy, Scotch bonnet pepper. You know me can't leave that out, not all. Alright, so this is a bell pepper, purple bell pepper. I have a red bell pepper and a yellow bell pepper. I have my carrots, pimento, and I also have my vinegar over there. You know you cannot make a sauce without your vinegar, right? You definitely have to have that. I'm going to show probably a piece of green bell pepper in there, depending on how I feel as I go along. So, yeah man, come sit, sip and chill and let us kick this off, alright? Yeah. So, dealing with the season for my pickle. I'm not going to use all of this sweet pepper here. Red bell pepper, I'm just going to use a half of it. And I'm just going to cut them into some long strips. So basically I am removing the seed. I'm not using the seed. So you want to cut them in some long strips and you want to do that really thin. You don't want it too thick. So I'm finished with my red bell pepper. I'm just gonna go straight ahead now and sort out my yellow bell pepper. I'm using half of this pepper. Alrighty, I'm gonna remove my seed. Then I'm gonna just proceed to cut in some strips. As I say, guys, you don't have to cut your strips too big. Bust it in two first, then here we go. Some long strips. And that's when you're decorating your fish, it look lovely. I put all the sweet pepper into one container. So I finished cutting my yellow sweet pepper. I have this purple sweet pepper as well. Bell pepper, you know, same thing, I'm using half of it. Just for the color. Just to decorate my fish. And give it that nice color, that nice look. So I remove my seeds and I'm going to cut into some long strips as well. Alright, so that's it for our bell pepper. So I'm using 3 different color bell pepper: purple, yellow, and red. We're using both seed and everything. So you want to thinly slice those as well. Yeah. This is what's going to turn up the heat. Scotch bonnet pepper no normal. Alrighty. So guys, there's 2 ways to cut your carrot when you're doing your sauce. You can cut it either way, and as I mentioned before, you do have gadgets that quick and fast and easy. But guys, you don't know, I'm doing the old school way. You know, I'm an old school person. This is how I grew up. See my mother do it. Yes, gradually, you know. You just adapt to most of the things. So as I said, guys, you do have gadgets that makes things more easier. Alrighty. But I'm doing the old school way. So you want to thinly slice your carrot as well. So guys, you want to thinly slice your onion as well. You don't want it too big, you know, for your Escovith sauce. And you can use this Escovith sauce for many things, especially fried fish. What's sweet so with fried fish? Oh my. Alright guys, I said I wasn't going to use any green bell pepper or any red scotch bonnet pepper, but here what happened, I changed my mind. So I put in some red scotch bonnet pepper and I put in a piece of the green bell pepper. Just for color. I don't know I'm using the 3. Now this is 4 of them that I'm going to use. Alright, so we're going to just go ahead now and just, you want to cut these really thin and cut them in rounds. So I'm just using a half of this. Remove the seed as usual. Don't need them. So they got to go. So guys, I lit my fire and I'm going to put my vinegar in the pot. Don't worry about the pot too small. The pot is good, not too small. Alright, no particular order guys. Onion, and I'm gonna go ahead and toss in my carrots. Pimento, berries. I'm just going to give that a good little stir, you know. Combine everything. You can go ahead and tip a little salt also in your Escovith sauce. You can just put a pinch of salt in it. It leaves to your likings. Putting in our pepper. I know the seed in our pepper and everything and a hot body pepper. So you know that spoon right up. Next we're gonna put in our bell pepper. Nice combination, you know. Yes guys, my Escovith sauce is finished. So I'm going to just go ahead now and plate this for you all to see. Well, not plate, I'm going to bottle this, right? All right guys, so this is my jar. I am going to bottle my Escovith pickle, my Escovith sauce. So here we go. And this is really hot, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait on it to cool before I close the bottle with it. I'm not going to close it hot. So I'm taking my time. Alright guys, so we're pouring in our sauce. You see all of that pepper, man? All of that Scotch bonnet pepper. Whoa. So the pepper is what's going to turn up the heat and spice up the thing. There you have it guys, our pickle. So I'm gonna just leave this until it is cool guys. Right now it is hot, so I'm not going to cover it. I'm going to just leave it to stay cool, and then I'll just go ahead and just cover it up and just set it aside. Whenever time we need any Escovith pickle, we just run to our jar. It's all loaded.